Hi, in front of me is LG Wing, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Shadow Galaxy. Firstly, open Play Store. Then type Shadow Galaxy and download this app from this developer. Now open it, choose Settings and customize it however you like. When you're done, go back, choose Open, click Apply, and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen on lock screen by tapping on Set on Lock Screen. When you're done, click Set. Now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!